Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, I will give you the first tour of ArcMap interface. Okay. The first thing you have to remember that when you start working with your ArcMap, when you click on the software to open it up, it will take a few minutes, few seconds to open. Don't lose patience in this stage. Some people are saying that oh, my PC is going to be slower by using this software. So it's not, it's usual. This is a huge software. There is a lot of working in the back of this software. Okay, when you open up your ArcMap, this type of first dialog box will appear in front of you. Okay, this here will appear the most recent working the maps on which you worked recently. Okay, just cancel this. I changed the setting of my ArcMap platform according to my home. I will make it default. Then I will told you that how you can make it according to your desire. Okay, I'm checking them. First thing, let's start from the table of contents. Okay, this is your table of contents. All the maps, all the layers, each and everything on which you are working in this platform, in this working platform, all the layers will appear here. Okay, you can, if your table of contents are not here, then don't be unsatisfied, then don't lose your patience. Okay, don't lose hope. Just if it's not if it is not here, just check it back. It will appear like this. You can resize it. You can resize it according to your own will. You can resize. Okay, I make it like this, and you can also move it where you want. If you click here, it will appear like this. If you want to move it on the right side, this will appear like this. Or if you want to move it in the downward of your screen of your working platform, you can move like this. I want to like this on the right corner. I want to appear my table of content on the right corner. This will appear like this. Okay, after that, this is not by default setting. Okay, and after that, this is the catalog box. Just click on this. This will appear like this. The catalog box is usually to make the to interrelate your working with your destination folder. This is to make the connection of your workings with the destination folder. If you also can do the same things like the table of content with these things. The third one is the search bar. This will appear on the back of your ArcMap, just like this. This is the search bar. Okay, then this is the toolbar. You can the four different you can see that these are four different things, four different platforms for you, four different things with their own properties on which you can work. You can use them while you are working on the ArcMap software. Okay, just I want to close this, and I want to close this, and I want to pin this. This will appear like this. And if I want to pin my search bar, this is your search. This is used to search maps, data, tools, and images. As I click on all, I will just it will search anything I want to. I want to search the tool extract by mask. I will simply enter here extract by mask and click on this. It will search your tool. And if you want to pin it like this. Okay, your search box is pinned up here, and I want to close this, and I want to get back my table of content as a default, and I want to pin it like this. My table of content is here, and I want to get back our catalog box, and I just want to move it here, and I will pin it. And same with the search bar, and I will pin it up here, and same with the toolbar. I will get back into here, and I will pin it here. After that, another important thing about ArcMap, you can just get the tabs, get the bars according to the the nature of your working. You can add drawbar. Okay, this is your drawbar. Simply, this is your drawbar. This is used to draw different shapes, used to write different text on your maps. Okay, this is the editor bar. You can move the editor bar from here to here. Okay, this is your, here is somewhere is georeferencing tool, georeferencing bar. This is your georeferencing bar. You can make it, you can move it. It's not working. Oh, something happened. You can move it like this. I will make it here. This is my georeferencing bar. In the next lecture, first thing you have to remember that we will move with this ArcGIS software from beginning to the professional level. So be with me to be a professional in ArcGIS. I hope you will really enjoy this journey. Okay, you can check in any bar, anything from here. Just there are many things just like this. You can, just like this, you can, yes, there are a lot of bars that you can check in into your working platform. Okay, I just want to remove this. Okay, if you want to remove anyone, you can remove, just it will disappears from your working from onto your screen. Okay, now if you want to add any map, first no, I will tell you about these things, for what purpose these things are used. Let you want to add data, just click on this, and I want to add data of Pakistan. From here you can connect to the folder where your data is stored. From here you can move to the home folder. Okay, from here you can move one step back like this. Okay, and here is my Pakistan cities file, and I want to move back. I click on this. Okay, just check into this and add. My Pakistan map will added up here. Okay, this is the table of content. Simply, the first I opened the Pakistan map, and it will appear like this. I can change the color of this map from here by clicking on this. I can make it green, and okay, there is a lot of things. If I don't want to make this, I want to go back to the previous, just click on this undo command. My added data will be moved back, and if I want to get back, just click on this. Okay, I want to remove this data. You can remove from here. Okay, add. If I want to add, I will add the Pakistan, and after adding this, I want to add any base map. Let's open up. It will take a few time to open it up. because the base maps are from the internet and my internet connection is a little bit slower. If I will just want to open this imaginary with labels. Okay, it will take few time. Okay, if I want to zoom in and zoom out, this is to zoom in, this is to zoom out, this is PAM tool, this is for full extent. Let's make it open. Wait for a few seconds. It's taking a few seconds as it is working on its back. You can check from here. It's opened up. Okay, just click on to full extent. This will be your full extent, and your Pakistan is like somewhere here. And if I want to zoom in, just okay. One thing about this software is, the one important and very interesting thing about this software is this, that you can customize your working platform according to your own will. Okay, just open up the ArcMap options. This is your general setting. You can check in and uncheck the things which you want to which you can make your settings according to your home, which you want to working with. Okay, data view, you can change the view of your data by check or uncheck the few things. Okay, this is your layout view, this is your metadata, this is your tables, this is your raster. Okay, my base map is also is here. Okay, now you can see that we can add base maps from the internet onto your working platform. I will uncheck my base map, and this is my Pakistan map. Okay, I want to zoom in out. I want to zoom in, zoom in, and I want to go back to the full extent of my software. Just click on this. This is the full extent as my platform is on the globally level, on the level of global coordinate systems are as a globally opened, and my Pakistan is with respect to base map, my Pakistan map is somewhere is bigger, smaller. I can just zoom in it like this. This is my PAM tool. I can just move it up and down. Okay, I just, if I want to open this my Pakistan map, my Pakistan layer to my full extent, I just click on the layer. Something went wrong with this. Just click on the layer, click on layer and zoom to layer. This will my appear to zoom to layer to the full extent. Okay, this is also to zoom in, zoom out. This is to zoom in. This is pan tool. Okay, this is undo, this is redo, this is select elements. Right click is mostly used in the software. By right clicking you can do a few things. This is this is just to zoom to layer. Okay, if my map is like fully zoomed out, like full extent, okay, I want to make it this map to the full extent. I will click on the layer and just press on to zoom to layer. It will appear like this. Okay, this was the basics about the ArcMap tool. Now the last thing, the most important thing I want to tell you that just click on the file, and if you want to save your ArcMap, don't forget to save your map. Just click on the file and save as, save a copy. You can save like this. If you want to export your map, you can click on this and click the type. If you want to export in JPEG, BMPs, SWF, SVG, PTF, EMF, okay, GIF, you can save in the you can save in which format you want, you can save it. Okay, after that, this was about your saving of map. This was the last thing about the tour of ArcMap platform, ArcMap interface. I hope you learned a lot. You learned basics about this tour. Remain with me, remain with this channel to learn from the beginners to the professional level. My slogan is, if you will learn this software, then you will earn in the dollars. You can earn $100,000 because there are a lot of projects, a lot of things. This software is used. This software is being used everywhere, in every field, like in mining, in CRP, city and regional planning. This software is also being used there. Okay, this was my last step. I hope you will understand everything, each and everything. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and do share and like with your friends. Thanks a lot. Thanks for your time.